Sizo update sinikeza nini ama marching orders abangazi igama lami uxolweni wakhuma. So sizo thola umhlahlandlela manje ukuthi masuka la siya kuphi. Sikhulumile nomndeni singenile phakathi nama leaders. Sikhulumile nomndeni futhi sitholile iupdate esithuka kahle kahle yini into enzakalayo. Kodwa into esemqoka ukuthi niwumphakathi nila ngoba ninothando. Nila ngoba nizwe ubuhlungu ukuthi khona wethu olahlekile ongatholakala. So sizosuka manje sambe se police station sifuna lo ophethe icala asitshele ukuthi what is the update. Number 2, bese siya decide ukuthi laba abavula itoro bayavalwa or kanjani. Azalela, high discipline. High discipline. High discipline. Ngiyazi lalelani mphakathi. Ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona laba basile le. We're going to give directions ozoyenza into engafunwa. Sizomshaya ke thina. Oze ngengqondo yokulutha number 1. Oze ngengqondo yokulimaza itoro zabantu. Sizomshaya thina uqobo lwethu. So what we're going to do right now? Amaphoyisa lana nithi. We go to the police station, sifuna update le, aksi opportunity abantu abazospina. We want justice.
Yes.
We want ukuthi kutholakala umfowethu angithi. Oze ngoba yena akala grocery endlini. Uzofuna ukugangela itolo zabantu. Sizomthela induku. No. So right now we're gonna move. Indlela yethu yokumove angithi now amaphoyisa. Indlela yethu yokumove ase police station. Branch commander and station commander, they will tell us how far are they and who's investigating, because we want to get an update. Asifuna ukuthi umndeni ukuba wona wodwa wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa nathi silimela ngithi. So ngizothethe leadership ukuthi leadership ne-leadership may control abantu bayo. Sure. Mina ama crime fighters ne-action SA you will be controlled by me. Angifuni manyofonyofo, we don't want abantu abazonitha isinacks la. Amabutho will be controlled by the leadership. Nama political parties who are here, can we allow the leadership to control your people?
Yeah.
Because if you don't control them, we will help you. And it's not going to be nice, isn't it? Engayazwa izo ngesikhu.
Yeah.
So bentala sibe discipline. So ngizotethela abanye abaholi ukuthi ba address. Mandla.
Phakathi kwenu insizwa kunabantu abathatha
Order!
abathatha imali emakuleni bese bewasebenzela ukuthi behlukumeze abantu bakithi abamnyama. Ngiyakusho lokho asikubuzi siyakusho kuyekeni ke madoda. Niyayibonela nani isikhathi siphelile manje. Lezi insizwa ingafuni ukuyosebenza isebenza ukuyothatha imali emakuleni zithi zizowavikela. Uwena ungezukuvikeleka. Umuntu ongenza ukuvikeleka uwena, umuntu ozofa uwena ngoba masikubamba phela wemadoda kuliwe impila ezweni abantu abamnyama belwa nabantu abamhlophe bakhona abantu abamnyama abagcina bengena ngale kubelungu belwa nabantu abamnyama. Lalela ukuthi obani abangekho emhlabeni ilabo bantu lapho ngoba uNkulunkulu nemvelo ngeke zikusupporte udayiso wakini. Ngeke imvelo ikusupport umkhathi lo, ngeke ukusupporte ngisho izingane zakho ziyoba usikhotheni ngenxa yokuthi wena udayisa abakwini. So ke umuntu nje ogangayo othatha imali zamaNdiya, othatha imali zamaSulumane, othatha imali zamaPakistan namaSomali, ngicela ukuthi kusukela manje ayeke ngoba mawuthi wena uzobavikela umuntu ongeza ukuvikeleka uwena. Nesikhathi wena uvikela amakula uvikelwa ubani wena? Usho thina ke ngiyabona lamakhanda amadoda agcwele la mayesahlanganisiwe ahlakaniphe kakhulu kunawe wena oyitshela uhlaniphile. Amadoda lawo siphethe wona thina njoba usibona singesabi nje hayi ukuthi sithemba amaphoyisa sithembe nanka amakhanda. So ke bafowethu sizoyiphatha kahle ngoba niyabona le kuyiphatha kahle iyasuwinisa. Kusukela namhlanje zingaki? Namhlanje umhla ka-1 May 2026 la eSouth Africa kusukela manje njoba ngimile la uma ngehlala phansi isitolo nje somuntu wokufika okulelizwe siyavala kuzokutholakala le ngane. Asithathi lutho esitolo uzoyivalela isitolo sakhe yena kodwa asiza ukuvulwa isitolo nje somuntu wokufika la eSouth Africa hayi la eForce eSouth Africa isitolo nje somuntu wokufika asivala kuze kutholakale le ngane le. Akukho ke umuntu ozovimba iphoyisa isosha uhulumeni ikhulu akekho umuntu ozovala ngoba sisho nje asizukubulala umuntu sofike sibelethe izandla sithi wendoda uvale kuze kutholakala umazi. Niyazo wensizwa manina anithule bomama akanithule wemadoda niyangizwa yini? So hayibo nibonana kabili nithi isitolo somuntu okufika la eSouth Africa. Mina ngihamba ngiya kwaNongoma manje ngo-10 kusasa kwaNongoma, ngo-10 kusasa kwaNongoma bakhona abaqophayo ngo-10 kusasa kwaNongoma itolo zabantu bokufika zonke zobe ivalile kuze kutholakale lo mfana. Umuntu nomuntu edolobheni lakhe. umuntu nomuntu edolobheni lakhe akahamba yocela ukuthi umuntu okufika wendoda silahlekelwe ingane sisacela uvale isitolo sisilile angithi akusetshenzwa uma kushoniwe yebo sisilile akakuvalwe itolo
Asimameleni.
High discipline! High discipline!
So today we come from different political parties. Indaba kapolitics ayisebenzi namhlanje. Isigqoko sakho neskipa sakho sithatha usibekele eceleni. Angisho ukuthi usikhumule, kodwa sengisho ukuthi asisebenzi namhlanje. Sila sama South Africans sonke against abantu bokufika. Today can be the only day ukuthi si demonstrate sibabonisa ukuthi asisafuni nix yabo amaphoyisa njengoba begcwele la they are here to protect them, they are not here to protect all of you. Bezosiza bona ukuthi singavala amashop wabo. So today is about South Africans asimoshi lutho njengoba uphakele shiluthi siyofika sithi vali shop yakho asistop it today every day la siya khona la sihlala khona asambeni soplanta lelo vanyela ukuthi as of today siyavala siyazwana so please ngiyacela akekho ozophuma emaceleni siyohamba sonke ngoline e1 masisuka la siyakhuphuka siyale siyalandelana sonke siyazwana morning
Ibutho phambili ne
Wemtshali. Isizwe sifuna ukunitha isizwe sase South Africa le unity izoqala la eForceburas. Ushilo kumfowethu obuya leBonongoma uphakela umthakathi wathi asivali nje kuphela la amashop. Ngishilo ngasho message uthi wonke amashop ama foreigners la eSouth Africa kusuka namhlanje ngifuna ukudlulisa nanku kumlayezo obalekile kubaba uGeneral Mkhwanazi simthembile. Ngiyaza nemfundo thina siyamfuna-ke. Ngifuna ukudlulisa nanku kumlayezo ngithi kuwe baba ngoba sewusenational Mkhwanazi sicela ukuthi uyivimbe ngoba nayo sesendleleni. Ningeze moshe imali ye-state nihambe nifunana nathi nithi senze 1 2 3. Siyaninothisa, it's a notice ukuthi sifuna ukubuyisa izwe lethu. Abokufika ake bahambe basinikeze ichance. Sifuna ukuxoxa nani nina nisiphethe. Okay. Sizondlulisa ke la ngoba kune memorandum ekhona la esizothi ikhona la kuzomela sizoyindlulisa kodwa ke uma u-station command ukhona na omunye message uqala ephezulu uqala lephezulu angifuni kusafazwana ngifuna athi uzwile isukela kule police station yala eForceburas the message yabo commissioner national commissioner including the provincial commissioner. We are going to write a letter as South Africans. Usuka la first lobu wonke ama region aseGauteng. Mama nizobuya nisiphelezele sivala amashop. Nizobuya nisiphelezele. Ibhizi yamele iqondintando. Umsebenzi ekubekeni wenza beningawenzeli thina. Benenzela abanye abantu esingabazi. Now ngizosebenza nama South Africans manje. Le booth izomela lifashwe liqineke manje ngoba incwadi izongena ku-provincial commissioner ukuthi siyawavala ama-shop started from next week. Ayikho ishop ye-foreigner ezovana eSouth Africa. That's the message that I want to pass. And awubuyele emuva. Yiso-ke isikhathi leso sokuthi sihlangane. Lokhu kushaya mina yomshaya naye kusasa lokhu agqoke yona le uniform. Uzosifuna angasitholi. Ngiyabonga ngokuqala ukudlulisela la kubhuti Xolani akhona ukuthi asidlulisele le memorandum kumama la wasekhaya. Siyabonga. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngikhulume ngizodlulisela kubhuti wethu uphakela umthatha. Ngiyambona la ngopanyaza sakafikile. Akwazi upanyaza. High discipline. High discipline. High discipline. High moral. Asingabini umphakathi ohandule. Let's not be umphakathi ohandule. We are here ngenxa kamazwi. Asizelanga ezinye izinto. We are here because of we want umazwi aphila noma ethule esamfuna. And laba abenze something, they will account. Kodwa bengicela nje ukuthi siphathe kahle wethu. Sengibona nawe uPhuthu uPhalane umthakathi. Bafowethu asibe ngaphezulu kwekepha. Yabona namhlanje bafowethu sizene nansi ingane yakithi elahlekile. Akube ngayo kuphela. Bonke sizokhuluma la akube ngayo kuphela. Sithi mase sibuyele emuva ke sesihlele endlini zakwethu kogogo bese sixoxe kwagogo lapho esisuke sikhona khona. Kwagogo kuyindlu yasegcekeni eyodwa la kuhlangana khona umndeni wonke. Lapho nizofika nikhuluma khona indaba zenu. Okwamanje ngicela sihloniphe umndeni olahlekelwe ingane. Asikhulume ngayo kuphela. Sizwe kithi mina owami umsebenzi la eSouth Africa uqondene namadoda kuphela. Niyazwa bodade wethu. Ngithanda ukufa ngiswele inkolo. Kodwa owami umsebenzi uqondene namadoda kuphela la eSouth Africa. Sizwe kithi asisebenzisane namaphoyisa. Sizwe kithi nina enithatha imali zabantu bokufika lithi nizobavikela. Umuntu ongavikelekile wena uthi uvikela umuntu. Uma ngabe ungaboni ukuthi South Africa iyashintsha uzoshiya ingane zakho. Lokho ngikusho phambi kwamaphoyisa ngoba nalabo bakwethu abahambela ubala bebulawa ukuzama basuke beshiya ingane zabo. Nawe uvikela abantu ababulala izingane zethu. Idlozi lakini lizokulahla ushiye izingane zakho. Kusukela namhlanje njengoba simela amaphoyisa siyanicela thina ke sinenhlanhla ukuthi sikhulele ngaphansi kwamakhosi, sakhula ngaphansi komthetho, asixabani thina nephoyisa. Uma lingibopha iphoyisa ngonile ngale ngivume mina ukuthi ngonile, lingibopha iphoyisa ngihambe ngiyojeza ngoba umthetho uthi awukwazi ukuphila ezweni elingenamthetho. Ipolitiki ifike yaqeda umthetho uhlisa isithunzi samaphoyisa. Ingakho ngisho abantu bokufika benesibindi sokubulala amaphoyisa. Ingakho abantu bokufika namhlanje benesibindi sokubulala abantu bakithi. Ingakho abantu bokufika namhlanje benesibindi sokuthi sithi sihlangene emzini umuntu siyokhala okuyisizulu siyobhoma umswaneni behlangane bona. Ade behlangene amaphoyisa la. Behlangene sebelinde impikiti. Angiboni kodwa ukuthi bebazwele ukuthi ngikhona. Ayangiboni. Mina akukho ngisho yedwa ngisho mathiwa hoba nonke amaNigeria bathana ngeWhatsApp. Ngenza kithi insizwe lezi ezivela abafana lapho. Noma ngabe baphethe. Abafana nje. Sihlonipha na hey insizwe. Asiqhubekeni siwahlonipha amaphoyisa. This is a direct message to all foreigners who think they can have a war with us. Just go back to your country. That's the easiest war you can face. It is not xenophobic to fight for your country, but wait. It is not xenophobic to defend the youth. It is not xenophobic to gather together like this in mourning for our boy that is missing for 1 month as soon as we took. Yipi xenophobic? Yipi xenophobic? Uma ngabe sikhuluma ngalokho. Kubekani weinsizwa nihlonipha amaphoyisa kodwa ngiyanitshela sekuseduze phambili ususeduze umhla ka-30 June lapha khona sizothatha khona isinqumo sokuthi ongahambile la eSouth Africa sizokwenza njani. Mphakathi uphamise into esizelela. The reason why we are here is because of sifuna amaphoyisa asitshele ukuthi kahle yini into ababhizi ngayo. Umfowethu sekanenyanga ngapha. Abasitshele ukuthi yini ebenza ukuthi bahluleke ukulwa lempi esibhekene nayo. basitshela ukuthi uma befuna siyiphathele yona phela siyakwazi ukuyibambela yona. Phela kusho ukuthi ngoba sithule asikwazi ukuyiphakela impi. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi sawuhlonipha umthetho futhi sawuhlonipha nabantu bomthetho, ikakhulukazi mina ngisebenza nabo kakhulu kule nto yama-drugs. Khona kodwa engingasebenzi nabo ngoba bangingcolile. Khona igebengu emaphoyiseni, khona amaphoyisa ahamba la kulama-tuckshop alama-Pakistani bahamba baphumela nje. Ingakho umfowethu angatholakalanga. Colonel, Colonel, Usimemondi yangosa. Oh, but Usimemondi yourself prefer premier. Kodwa into esizele la ukuthi bazositshela ukuthi kahle kahle yini abayenzayo ukuthi bahlulwa yini mabadinga usizo sibasize. Ngoba kulula ukukhipha abantu ukuthi bazosigada thina. Nabona amaphoyisa amaningi ngana. Indaba bangahambi bayofuna labandaba. Indaba bangahambi bayofuna umfowethu. We are here because of Umazwi had a tuck shop. Yes. Umazwi unestoro azama ukuyiphilisa ngaso kule economy esikuyo. Is that reason enough for him to lose his life? Is that reason enough for you to go missing? Amaphoyisa maweza azositshela ukuthi bahlula yini. Even amaphoyisa wala ekhululeni maweza azositshela ukuthi bahlula yini. Sina namhlanje somphakathi sizogijimisa indlebe phansi ukuthi sizwe ukuthi bahafa futhi badingana. So ngizocela nje ukuthi uSimemondi amakaqeda captain nimbizeni Nkosi yami. Nimbizeni ngoba ngesambe la singakhulumana. Yabona laba bemoto ezimnyama azanga kubo. Size emaphoyiseni. Kodwa bangasixoxela ke ngoba bayathanda Nkosi yami ukuxoxa. Bangasixoxela kodwa into esizele la is to understand very well what happens the investigation and ukuphi umfowethu. So ngizovulela inayinsizwa ngapha ifuna ukumbingelela. Kodwa ngiyabakakhulu ukuyiphatha kwenu nomphakathi ukuthi akekho limela ngithi. Phela mina senze khona limela. Akekho limela ngithi. Akekho limazo umunye ngithi. Sawona umphakathi sengizovulela nazi insizwa ukuthi ikhulume mana ngumama naye awukhansela. Mphakathi uhlupho lokhulumayo sihlala khona la e44. Siyabonga mphakathi ngokuphuma kwenu kanje. Khohlwa indaba yesikipa namhlanje khohlwa. We are here on one cause. Sifuna umazi. And ngicela ke mphakathi, this is very important. Sicela sikadayisana. Umuntu nomuntu ofuya ikula akalitshele lihamba. Ukuthi kule contract kunani akalitshele lihamba. Until sithola umazi nothing moves, nothing happens. Umphakathi ninamandla wokudecide ukuthi nani anithengi kulabantu. Aningaqolotisi kulabantu. Asingadayisani mphakathi ngoba ngenye ilanga makulahleke yakhe ingane uzophuna siphume ngobuningi. Bese thina sithi wawukuphi sitikathiwa amakhulu. Wawukuphi sitikathiwa amaPakistani ungekho. Sithi thina umuntu nomuntu ozele akaphume azomela umphakathi. Siyabonga mphakathi ngeke nibe mude kade sigijima ilanga lipheli. Bathi ngiyanibonga nje ningadinwa nangomusa makulahleke ingane yomunye umuntu niphume nenze sure ukuthi ngoNovember amen vote right. Amanda ukuthi yabo MC ngizovulela nangu unqoka ukuthi naye athi ukuthi fahla phela silindile ustation intombazana intombazana zokhuluma nathi silinde bani silinde intombazana uyeza intombazana Amanda! Long live the spirit of Xolani, long live. Long live the spirit of Xolani, long live. Fellow patriots, comrades, commanders, what brought us here, it's a situation of forced integration. Integration whereby we were never consulted as communities of South Africa. Today, siyalwa manje, silwa nabantu esingazi ukuthi bafike kanjani zange bafike bazoxoxa nathi si community yase South Africa sibazi labantu bafike bazolahla lapha bahlale endlini zethu khona manje yithi futhi esibanika izindlu zethu sibanika ukuthi bazosinika imali ye rent. South Africa nathi siyanuka sisibhekeni konke lokho nathi siyanuka. Kodwa isigcino kulokhu iSouth Africa economy, the community of South Africa has spoken. Awavalwe amashophu wamaPakistan kuphelele nje lapho. Amandla. Thank you. Yes. Usesonde lozothatha memorandum kodwa ke mhlambe umuntu akanikelele bese embonga kakhulu umphakathi ukuphuma nje kwenu nizosupport. Uyabona ke imessage iclear ngoba ingomazwa ngithi sonke sizosupport ifamily kaMathwa ngithi. Uyabona ke before sizothi abantu bangaphandle baronga senze nthini ukulungiswa kuqala uthe umfowethu bhala umntakazi wathi amashop awavalwa ngithi abantu bangaphandle baqashe kithi thina ama South Africa yithi khona siqale senze ukulungiswa ngithi abantu ababaqashisile ibona ufanele baqale benze ukulungiswa ekutheni basilekelele ngokuthi bethi no sekwanele sokubona kusezandleni zethu ukuthi silwele lelizwe lethu. Mphathi baba uyasondela ngathi basambrifa nje kamnani angazi ke ukuthi ube ngazi ukubonakele la unalomuzo ukuthi manje basambrifa manje kuzofanele thina simlinde ne ngoba uyazi ngebalulekile la yini ukuthi nje sazi ukuthi sitala kumazi benzeni ngoba komangala umuntu angaphandle manje bazofuna baze bamthole ezolwethu asivumi angeke sivume High discipline. Angithithini impendulo silasi umphakathi azanga la njengo ANC, IFP, EFF, SNSA, what. We are here as the residents of the Ekurhuleni. We want answers. Silanje umphathi waseKurhuleni sizofuna impendulo. So
ungabone bangena ngathi lo uye ungabone bangena ngathi sekunjani kodwa-ke kune-report abasiphathele yona kune-report abasiphathele yona kodwa thina simile la simi khona i-report angekho namhlanje simile la simi khona angeke ngisho kodwa siyazi angeke yabazi khona laba bamakhemela u-station commander noma uSimamandla Nkosana akazi ukusi-address uyazi wayo uthini ngimchazeleni kunomeya kunopremier kunominister kushuthi lento abasiphathele yona into eyenziwa ekhopheni eliphezulu kushuthi njengoba sekufike bona i-station commander sewazilalela nayo so bengicela siyiphatheni kahle somphakathi cela bonke laba basemuva yibo laba mabasuka la bazohamba bayenza lento le enziwe laba abanye or bambe bayisukela amakhulu asondeleni somphakathi sizokwazi ukulalela lethu bafuna ukusibriefa so that we can go home knowing ukuthi kenzakalani but la simi khona simile lethu yebo so manje ngizonikeza upremier akhulume nathi kodwa into engifuna ukuyidlulisa Premier nawe Mayor Station Commander nawe Minister is that our brother is missing. Our brother is missing and he's been missing for 50 days now. It's only on Tuesday that the investigators have started taking this thing serious. So the Lescati, they were treating it like a small case. That is why we are so agitated because of we can't treat a case of Muntu Ola Fegile than a case of Muntu Wachonjoli Fridge or Wachonjoli Phone. It's an urgent matter and Siyazo which is over Anatola until now. Probably must tell us from China myself. But we want him alive or dead. So that umndeni uzokwazi ukukhuleka nathi sikwazi ukukhuleka. So zonikeza uPremier bahlala ngicela sibe discipline ukuthi amzondo kwenzeni ngicela namhlanje asihlangana ngawe. Sihlangane ngomntwana olahlekile. Asihlangana ngawe ukuthi wakuthembisa yini nayenzani asihlangana ngawe. Ngicela simnikele indlebe masiqeda we take
sithanda ukuxolisa kakhulu alento enzakele la eForslogans. After we've received a report yakamazwi, we pulled all the resources that we have as a state and we've given a deep deadline to all law enforcement agencies to ensure that they track this case and crack it. That is why today we are coming with the Minister of Intelligence, the minister that has the legal authority to search even where police don't have the right to search. The legal authority to ensure that we gather all the intelligence information to assist us. So we've pulled the case from this police station. We think this case is bigger than this police station. It needs to be elevated. Okay. Ngizasikhuluma isiZulu. Nami ngizulu. So we've pulled it out so that the best brains that can investigate this case can take over this case. Bengichaza benkosi ukuthi since uMazwi alahleka, we've put all befunekayo so law enforcement agencies, that is amaphoyisa, amasoja, banban, to get the information that can assist us with sithole good wethu. Nathi suhulumende we are shattered. This is completely unacceptable. We can't allow it because ingabo mazu namhlanje, we don't know who will be tomorrow. So we need to stop it now before iyaphambili. So bengichaza ke ukuthi le case yakamazu, the way that isikhathi sesambile, it's no longer a case that can be handled by a police station. It needs to be taken up so that all the law enforcement agencies can attend to it. So sifuna ukumchazela ukuthi senzeni. We are working on it, we'll attend to it. But ngizocela uMinister we-Intelligence, because uMinister we-Intelligence office inaka president. That's how high it is. Because office inaka president, so we are asking her to come and explain processes lesizosilandela to do everything within our powers to come here. But before mhlala phansi, stand ukubonga umphakathi. This is how we must behave. An injury to one must be an injury to all of us. And we must not allow people to do as they wish in our own country. And we agree, Nani, strategically there is a way that we want to deal with it. Anyeke umuntu wasekhaya bamvalele because bakavula isitoro labanye bachubeke ngeitoro zabo. So we are working, and the executive mayor will explain the strategy that we are going to employ to assist that aspect. But for now, ngithanda ukunibonga bantu base-Force Lorras, from the bottom of our heart as the Gauteng government. We are on this case, we'll hunt, even if they can hide, we'll get them. Siyabonga. Let me ask the Minister, Uncha President as well. Minister.
Dumelang, Leikai, re a tseba hore a latla mo ka ntho tse monate akere. Ke tswa Limpopo ke tsebe Sezulu, ke a bolela Sevenda, Tshitangane. So, as Premier Abunetsi, we have deployed the intelligence structures to assist with the case. The intelligence structures, key crime intelligence, key state security, who are going to lead intelligence-led operations. Then, which Premier Abunetsi, Litze Baska, Auna Mutako operating omwe asebo agere. So agere nani batwamla live come holy swearing guy hona. Ya bonso le tlhompha molao wa mo mara ka se tellwe ke batho ba go tswa go kae agere. So redirectile mayor or mayor ke la hopola last time I never apply for the permit. The permit didn't need the conditions. Condition here or visa, which allows you to do business in that category. I got it. Business.
So they must go away.
There is no sponsorship that costs 5 million.
That is why they must go.
And then
akadlulise nje umama umlayezo akadlulise umlayezo angithi into esifuna ukuzwa la ukuthi umfowethu uyatholakala noma angatholakali ubaba uPanyaza sekayibekile uthi amashop ngeke asebenze umfowethu engatholakali yinto sonke esiyifunayo asinikezeni umama aqedelele bese siyahamba
So linali kasitswala this spaza shop. It's also this one Lekki Metro Police Department. Because if you can go Valley Chunya, Kimang actually protect town again. So
Mamelani bafowethu anithi sizele la ukuthi sazi ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi mama angeke asakhona ukuqhubeka nemoto sizocela umeya asibeke emqondweni asicele umeya asibeke emqondweni sizokhona ukuhambana thatha
Manda. Ngiyethemba ukuthi uPremier noMinister sebakhulumile futhi na ukuthi si-enforce ama-bylaws. Ama-bylaws ka-straight akithi ayasho ukuthi for wena ukuthi uvule ispaza shop elokishini or utrade kuma-informal traders kumele ube nephepha elinjani. Mara, the bottom line is that you must be South African. That is important. The bottom line, the spaza shops are for locals. The spaza shops are for locals. So all the trading permits and the trading permits and the business permits that were issued. Ama trading permits abo mama bethu abo dadwethu laba bathengisa informal areas right so ama spaza shop nabo sebanikeza ama business permits mara okubaleke kakhulu ukuthi it is us as South Africans esinikeza labantu bangaphandle ukuthi ba trade so besicela kakhulu ukuthi South Africans nabethole i-license ukuthi ba trade mabangayisublisi because we are doing enforcement. Understand the Metro Police. We will remind them again, we will issue another communique just to remind them what is it that needs to be done. Because trading permits are for at least Lima Lokshini, including the trading, the trading, what do you call them? Then now let's take so informal traders. Among informal traders, if we take some keep, we take some trading stores. If we take some keep, we take some amaquinya and all that, that is the market that is reserved for the locals, including the spaza shops. And the start with emphasizing because it is South Africans who sublease the permits, but enabling the foreign nations with trade. But the guys in Israel, we've heard you. There's a life that has been missing. There's a life that has been lost, and the commitment is that let's work together to actually ensure that we deal with illegalities.
Metro Police.
Asante.
The whole day, you
So support umndeni. Abalali lutho. So ngitshela phambili ukuthi kwenziwani.
bese qede bamba indlela eshayela izinqe zakhe ezincane njengezami ngoba ezami zincane vele mfowethu awuvalelise ngoba ngenzelani manje ngizocinelisa mina awuvalelise ngomphakathi na
Sibingelele nomama ngoba nabo kumele sibabingelele. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ku-discipline. I-discipline eyaboniswa noma eyakhonjiswa yinsizwa. Ngoba le match le njengoba nami bengingxenye yayo ngimenyile. Kodwa sibonile ukuthi imatch idinga ubuholi. Ngibona ukuthi ngcono ke kube yinsizwe ehamba phambili. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kune discipline enkulu. So njengoba sengihamba nje ngithanda nje ukuvalelisa. Ngibonge nokuthi ningihloniphile bafowethu. Ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ningihloniphile. Kodwa ngizohlela nenduna ukuthi ngikwazi ukubuya mhlawumbe sizothi ukuthi yabo ngoba yazi ukuthi inyama niyayithanda. Yazi ukuthi inyama niyayithanda. Kodwa ningamangali ke. Uma induna ingibizi sekukhona lapha ekhaya. Ngoba kumele ngibuye phela. Ya, kumele ngibuye sibheke ukuthi senza ubulungiswa kanjani kodwa ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu. Nduna yami yahlonipha kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu ngiyabona ukuthi la ensizweni idiscipline iningi kakhulu. Mina ngathi insizwa zingahlala zinjani. Kodwa besinesicelo ukuthi mangabe khona ungenzi kahle asizamele ukubuyisana. Ngoba asifuni kusasa sithi senze umsebenzi sithola umunye wethu. Asifuni kusasa ngithi ngenza umsebenzi mhlawumbe bese sithola abanye bethu. Kodwa into engiyibonile ukuthi yini abantu enesadiqinile la. Lento sifuna ukuyenza ukuthi abantu laba babangasebenzi. Yini abantu engayenza ukuthi yenzeke. Bongisandla iqinile. Ngibonga futhi idiscipline. So ngizothanda ukuvalelisa kodwa ngizohlela nenduna. Ukuthi ngibuye ke sizothi ukuthi inyama ngaqala ngiphakathi.
abantu behambe kodwa namaqula ahambe amaqula kodwa amaqula lo
Amaqula ke. Amaqula ke.
lapha nje ngani
Oh yes, yeah.